All right, we're going to do a cool project. We are going to use Google Slides to create a presentation about you, all about you. Let's dig in. What you need to do is you need to go to Google Slides. Now, we all know how to get here. Right here is Google Slides. Just click on it. And you need to start a new one. If you look here, you'll see right here it says start a new presentation, and this says blank presentation. So that's what you do. You click on that. All right. Now let's set up the environment a bit. First of all, name it up here, all about me, exclamation point. And then come over here, you see where it says themes? Let's close that because it just gets in the way. Now this presentation has to have 3 slides that have 4 pictures each. 3 slides have 4. 3 and 4, well, it makes 12 if you want to multiply. But anyway, we need to have 3. Right now we have 1. To add another slide, click right up here. You see the plus sign? Add. There's adds 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. We also need to clean up these slides. By default, they want to put these title things in here, and I don't want them. So, how do you get rid of them? You need to lasso these 2 boxes and then press delete. So to lasso them, you click and drag around them. Remember, if you want to lasso a bull, you don't throw the rope at the bull's horns, you throw it around the bull's horns. So if you clicked here and dragged around, nothing would happen. You can't click in the middle of the box, you gotta click outside. And you don't need to go all around them. You see how I just have a little bit? All you need is a little bit. You just need a little bit of both, like that. Or you can even do this, the little tiny bit, bonk. And then we press delete or backspace. You know where that is on your keyboard, delete or backspace. And it makes it go away. Let's do it again here. Highlight a little bit of those 2. Backspace. Highlight a little bit of those 2. Backspace. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go back up here. You need 4 pictures about you. Each slide is going to be a different category. So make sure every slide has a different category. You can't just put things I like, things I like, things I like. It's got to be more specific. Food I like, or sports I like, or how many people in my house, my family. That could be a thing too. So let's start out. Tab 1. Well, we all know I love the Dodgers, so I'm going to insert 4 pictures. Every slide has 4 pictures of the Dodgers. To search for and insert pictures, you click on, right there it says insert image, you click on the little mountains in the picture, and you go here to search the web. And you type in what it is you need to type in. Dodgers. Now to add a picture, just double click. Click, click, and it pops up. And let's search for another one. Let's see. Click on the mountain. Search the web. Go up here. You can click on this X right here. Oh, that closed it. I didn't want to do that. Back here, search the web. Go here, backspace to get rid of the previous one. Well, my favorite Dodger is Jackie Robinson. He was a wonderful man who did a lot for the civil rights movement. Click on that. There's old Jackie. Oh, that's a good picture of him swinging away. Let's double click. Click, click. Now that's going to be too big because I want to put 4 pictures on here, and you've got to make it fill up this frame. You can't go across, and you can't have any pictures overlapping each other. So to size a picture, you're going to drag from the edges. Do you see how right there the arrows are diagonal? That's when you know you can size, when the arrows are diagonal. See how they're diagonal? Yeah. Now you can size from here, but we don't want to size from the edge. If you size from the edge, it looks like this. Squishy. No one wants a squishy Jackie Robinson. Click on undo right there. Drag from the edge and go up there. Maybe you have to click on it, mouse over until, don't click on it. If you click and drag from here, it'll just move it. That's not what we want. You got to wait until it's the diagonal arrows, just 2 arrows diagonal, and then you can size it. All right. Let's search for another one. Ooh, another one of my favorite Dodgers, Mookie Betts. There we go. Double click. There he is playing some ball. Once again, drag from the edge to size it down. And then let's put a big baseball bat right here. That'll look cool, right? Search. Baseball bat. It's taking. Sure, take a long time. Here we go. Double click it. I wanted it long ways here. Here's how you rotate a picture. You see the little antenna thing? Little right there. Mouse over until it turns into a cross, and then you can click and drag it, and look. And then you could size it. Well, look what's happening here. It's covering the pictures. Well, you can crop it. To crop it, double click on the picture, and you see how that turned black? Go up here, and you see how now, right there, it's an up and down arrow. Drag it all the way down. And click away. Oh, but look, it's over the edge. I didn't like that. Double click. See, it's an up and down arrow. Click over here. There we go. We cropped it. To crop it means to trim off some of the excess stuff. That looks good, right? Now remember, each one has to have a theme. So this is going to be my family. Search the web. And I'm going to put in 6 people family. Let's see if 6 people family pops up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. 1, 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's 7. 6. There are 6 people in my family. Let's size this down. We live in North Carolina. So I'm going to go to search. Search the web. North Carolina. There you go. And we have 2 cats. Let's do 2 black cats because we have 2 black cats. There you go. That one kind of looks like, my cats aren't fluffy. They look more like that one. And then the last thing, search the web. Go back here. Let's see what else is interesting. We're from California originally. California. Size it down. There we go. Now, let me show you how to share it in case you want to share it with your parents. I'm not going to do all 3 pages. You're going to do 3 pages. I don't need to do 3 pages for you. You click on share. You click up here. You type in mom, and you click on your mom. Type in dad. Whoops. Click on share. Mom. Click on it. Dad. Click on it. This is somebody else's mom and dad. It's not my mom and dad. And then you click send, and it says, are you sure? And you say, yeah. I'm going to cancel that because these people don't want to have my picture. And that's it. Get to work.